Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, today in this video I am going to discuss how to wrap text around an object in a LaTeX document, and at the same time I will be giving you some tips to overcome certain common problem one faces while wrapping text using this wrapfic package. So let us go straight away to the text file. So as you can see in this text file, I have not used too many packages. This is the most essential package, that is wrapfig package. Okay, WRAPFIG, and there is a updated version of this package also, which is called wrapfig 2. I will be showing you how to use that also, but that wrapfig 2 has some advantage as well as disadvantage. A disadvantage is that it clashes with some packages. For example, if you use Xpicture package, then Refig 2 you cannot use, or otherwise if you use Refig 2, then Xpicture you cannot use. They clash with each other. So here I am using Refig package, and I am using Xpicture package. And here this graphics package I am using to create some object which I can wrap around. So here I have some dummy text. Okay, so I'll put some object here, and I'll try to wrap around that object by this text. Uh, this repfig package has two environment. One is rep figure and another is rep table. So we first work with rep figure. So let us see. So how do you do it? So first of all, you select the last word of a line where you want to put your objects. So for example, after this search, I want to put an object. Okay, so I click I locate that search here. Okay, go to the source. So here somewhere search is there. So here this is search. So I just put enter. Okay, and here I write begin. Sorry, this capital lock is there. Slash begin already there, and then rep begin rep figure, and then I'll do and rep figure. Okay, and here I'll write something. Okay, say I write introduction, and here I have to write suppose I want to write it on the left side, and I write width of the figure, it is 3.5 centimeter I take, and I press enter. Let's see what it does. Yeah, so you see it has done something all right. This introduction is there. So let me make it a bit large, so that so let me make it large. Okay, and let's see after compiling what happens. Yeah, so this is introduction, so it is large, but one small thing is there is a paragraph change here, this online, so that I don't want. So one option is that I remove this space before this rep figure, compile it, let's see what happens. So one extra line has come, so I remove this also, or maybe this, and then so no space before ref figure, no space after end ref figure. Okay, and no blank line before begin ref figure, no blank line after end ref figure. Let's see what happens now. So you see it has done correctly. That's introduction has been wrapped around. This particular word has been wrapped around. Now let us do it once again somewhere else. Suppose in the same paragraph I want to do this thing. So I again choose any last letter here. So maybe should. So should is somewhere here. So what I do, I copy the exact thing, and here I put press enter and control V, press enter. So exactly same thing I have put here. Maybe in place of introduction I can write basic results and then compile it. But there is a problem now. This has not come here, it has gone completely out of the paragraph. So that means it is not allowing me to write this object within the paragraph after this should. I have written it after should, but it has gone way below. Now how to overcome this? Now to overcome this, we have to use actually this particular line. We have defined a command which is called no par. It actually gives you this one, par fill skip 0 point and then par. So this I will write here. I will write no par and give a blank line, and after that here also I will write a blank line, and then I will write no indent. Okay. So let's see what happens now. Now you see that it has come in the correct position. So after should it has come, and for uniformity what we can do the same thing here also, just for uniformity. For first item in the paragraph it is not required, but let us be uniform that every time we will write ref figure environment we will write no indent, no par and no indent. Okay. So like that now it has come nicely. And similarly, if you want to write something on the right, then in place of L I can write R, so it will go on the right. So you see it has gone on the right side. Okay. So similarly, for example, like this, you see here the same thing here we have written in another paragraph, is that now if you want you can put a box around this text. So for that we have used this command frame box, and then this is centrally positioned, and then this policymeter is large, and here it is right aligned R, and this 0.3 times text width. Instead earlier we gave exactly in centimeter, but you can give width in this fashion also. And these are some optional commands, optional these numbers 7 point. So if you, let us say if I increase it, what happens? So it goes, so it is it goes outside the margin. So sometimes people like this type of situation also, that it should go a little bit outside, so you can hang around little bit, so like that. And if you can completely omit also, this is an optional argument, so that is also possible. So it has come slightly inside. Okay, and there are several things you can try. For example, here if I write edge fill, let us see what happens. So all this, so it has complete, it has right aligned. Okay, like this space is also slightly more, so this way also you can adjust. All right. So similarly this one, if you want to, now this is a file that is available in my folder template.png. You can use some other file of your choice and that will work here. So include graphics, and this size you have to adjust width as per requirement, and then this also you can adjust. Okay, so all these things, and this number 9 is actually tells you how many lines you want to keep here. For example, if you count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, there are 9 indented lines here. So if you want some more also, so in place of 9, if you make 10, just observe here what happens. So I compile it, you will see that one extra line has gone here. Okay, and if you reduce it say up to 1, then it will be completely covered almost. And if you remove this thing, then it is the default situation, you will get this situation, so which is also not bad. Maybe one extra line is here, you don't want that, so you can go back to this situation and you will come to this. Yeah, so like that this is also there. Then you can use some this is right aligned. Okay, this spacing adjustment, all these numbers you can change and adjust. This type of figures tables you can draw. Rep, this is rep figure. Yeah, where is it, this one. So using X picture package we have drawn this figure. Then I said I talked about rep figure. Now repfig package allows rep table also. So this table is created using this rep table environment. So it is right aligned. If you want it on the left, you can put L. It will come on the left. Okay, so all this adjustment. Sometimes you want that your picture should be little bit hanging outside the text width, so that also is possible. With here this 1 centimeter I have given here, so it has gone little bit outside here. If you want some extra line here below, so instead of 7 you can put 8. So so extra line is there. If you want a caption also, that also is possible. You can give a caption also, caption. Okay, you can write a template and compile it. So you see a template has come. Maybe one more extra line you can give so that it looks slightly more beautiful. Yeah, so like that it can come. Okay, so in this way you can use it. Okay, so that's it about refig. By the way, all these files will be available for download. For downloading, I will give you the link in the description of this video, and you can download this file from there and check up these commands. Okay, now as I said, there is a new version of this refig which is called refig 2, which is given by this. Okay, and what is it, refig 2. So here refig 2, this X picture package I have removed, because this has already a some kind of picture package within this RefPic 2. But if Xpicture certainly has some additional things. If you use Xpicture, then don't use RefPic 2, use RefPic only. But here I am not using Xpicture, so I am using RefPic 2. This has some additional things. For example, if you see the document here, uh, you can there is a automatic box here, and this box has different shapes. You can, corners are rounded, um, and this rounding is slightly more than this. Here nothing is rounded, it is sharp corner. It can be colored also like this. Okay, so it is given in this fashion. Okay, and here an additional command, the main difference between refpig and refpig 2 is this rep text environment, which was not there in refpig, but here we have rep text environment, and also this include framed text. This command is not there in refpig, so it is something extra here. You can read the documentation also yourself. It is available in the internet. You can download it and read it. Both the documents, both this and this documents are available. Then this rep table. Otherwise, this rep table and rep figure are same only. And here some additional commands. There is a star command, the star option in refig. In refig command, if you see the first number here in the under this refig, this 9 stands for number of indented lines, whereas here this 1 stands for increment in the number of indented lines. That means default is there, and for example, this is what? Which one is this? This is table. So this one. So if you want, if you make it say 2, then you will see one more indented line will be there. See, one more is there. And if you don't write anything, suppose you remove it and then remove the star also, then see all this thing has come. So if you want one extra line, so simply if you write 1 here and then compile, then if then it is behaving like your uh, refig. So, but if you put a star here, then it will be exactly what you want. No need to, but if you don't put star and then you have to increase it. Maybe in place of 1, you have to write say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. So you have to write 7 here, then you will get the same result. Compile it. Yeah. So if you write 6, then you will see one more line will come up. Okay. So this refig 2 allows the increment thing. Increment is not there in refig, it is there only in refig 2. So if to put a star, then it will understand that this is only an increment by 1. So that's it. And then other things refigure and all are same. And here only difficulty is that I show you one thing here. For example, say for example, uh, which one should I show you? Yeah, this one, this indented thing. So for example, if I remove this 1 centimeter, of course it will be aligned with this thing. Okay, then it will be straight like this, and here this 35 and here it is 37. If I make both 35, then this space will be closer. So if you want slightly more, then you can make it 37 like that. So this was the original situation. Let me go back to the original situation. So So that's it in these two thing. And this one is another template. Which one is this one? After table. Okay, this one. Yeah. So when it is right aligned, this increasing this spacing is slightly difficult than when it is left aligned. Right aligned things are slightly difficult to handle. So you have to use little bit of H fill command. You play around with it, remove H fill, and then see what happens, and then you will understand what is happening here. Okay. So this file also will be available for downloading. You can download it from the description. Link is there in the description of this video. You can download it there. Both the files will be there. So that's all I wanted to tell you in this video. Thanks for watching.